how to create WhatsApp account without phone number. So hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to create WhatsApp account without phone number. So let me tell you, WhatsApp requires a phone number to register and verify your account. So if you'd like to create a WhatsApp account without a phone number, you can use the link device feature in WhatsApp app only. So if you already have WhatsApp set up on a primary phone, what you can do is go to your Apple App Store or Google Play Store on your secondary phone, then find WhatsApp and then download it to your secondary device. Then open the WhatsApp on a secondary device, then tap agree and continue. Now you don't have to enter your phone number, just tap the three dot icon at the top right corner and then select link as companion device. Now a QR code will just appear on your screen. Now open your WhatsApp on your primary phone, then tap the settings and then choose link device. Then scan the QR code on the secondary device. So that's it for this video guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.